Hey guys, hope you are having a great day and a great time. So today's video I'm unboxing this package right here, and it's full of products that I got from a brand that is called Permanence skincare. They reached out to me via email asking me if I want to do a review of their products, and so this video is in partnership with Permanence skincare. So I want to show you guys like what I got from them. So I think I told you guys in my previous two videos, I made it very clear that I am not going to be doing any reviews of topical products, and topical products means things like lotions, serums, creams, etc. So, but I'm very open to doing reviews of supplements. So all what we have here are supplements from Permanence skincare. So I just want to show you guys like what I got, because these are the supplements I'm going to be using right now. So in case you're asking me like what supplements are you using, just know I'm going to be using these ones right now. So let's just dive into the video. So I got their liposomal S-acetyl glutathione blend, which has 3000 mgs, and then I also got the vitamin C, which has 1600 mgs. So I got these two, but they are a set of three. We actually have 6 bottles inside here, so like 2 of each, 3 of each, sorry. I have 3 of glutathione and 3 of vitamin C. So according to the dosage instructions on the website, it says like take 1 or 2 per day. Now, something very interesting about their brand is that one capsule has 3000 mgs of glutathione. Now, first of all, I was very confused, because when I went to check in their website, and when I was checking this serving size right here at the back of the packaging, it was very confusing for me, because I didn't know if they meant like 2 capsules have 3000 mgs or they meant 1 capsule. So I went into the email address to the email and asked them to clarify, and they said they understand it's very confusing, and they said one capsule contains 3000 mgs of glutathione. So it means if I'm taking 2 capsules per day, it means I'm getting 6000 mgs of glutathione per day. So I'm going to be taking like that, and they say you take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, best taken on an empty stomach to ensure you're getting the maximum absorption of these supplements into your system. Now I'm going to be taking 1 of these and 1 of these in the morning, and 1 in the evening. So basically 2 per day of each. So if I take them like that, it means whatever I have here is going to last me for 3 months, because 1 bottle is going to last you for 1 full month if you're taking 2 in a day, which is quite a long time. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my intake in the 2nd month. And also guys, for me, it takes a very short time. For me, when I'm using glutathione, it takes me about 1 month to know if it's working or not. So I'm gonna giving you an update after 1 month, because if I say I'm gonna come back after 3 months, that means until next year on January. So after 1 month, starting today, I'm gonna come back and give you guys an update and tell you, like I tell you guys, for me, I know when something like glutathione is working or not. Like I just know, because I have been using glutathione ever since I began my skin lightening journey. I am not new to this, so I will know within 1 month. I can even tell if it's working or not. So I'll give you guys an update, but of course I will also still give you an update after at the end of the year, that is December, when I'm almost like done with them. I'll give you guys still another update, but just know for now these are the supplements I'm using. And also guys, they did give me a discount code which you guys can use to save yourself some money during checkout, and the discount code is SHIKO25, which gives you 25% of your purchase. Now again, let me just clarify, I am not getting paid, I'm not getting any commission from you using my discount code. This is just a discount code for you guys to use to save some money when checking out. Now, something else I forgot to mention, I have to mention, is their sunscreen. You know, when they told me they want to do a collab with me, I was like very clear. I only want to do a review of the supplements. I'm not gonna even check their creams and lotions and everything. But now, because I've linked the video, I had to go on their site and check what else they have, and I realized I should have got one more thing. That is their sunscreen. They have a sunscreen which has an SPF of 60. And the amazing thing about that sunscreen is, apart from having an SPF of 60, it also has skin lightening ingredients, which, as in, where else have you seen a skin lightening where else have you seen an SPF, a sunscreen that has skin lightening ingredients? And I went and checked the reviews, and they were saying it's a very dewy kind of sunscreen, and I was like, that is just perfect for me, because I like a dewy sunscreen on my body, but I prefer something matte on my face. So I was like, I wish I had told them to send me the sunscreen as well. But I asked them if the because I checked on the site, because I was gonna go and buy with my own money. When I saw it, it's only $38 for 250 ml. That's a big size. So I was gonna go and buy it on the website, then I come and tell you guys about it after buying it, just in case you guys go and, you know, sell it out before it's sold out, before you guys go there and you purchase and and leave nothing for me. So I was gonna go ahead and buy it. So when I click add to cart, it said sold out. So I was very disappointed, and they told me they can send it to me when they're restocking, which is in about 2 weeks. So that's the other thing which I would recommend. You may want to try it out and see how it works for you. Again guys, just be very clear, this is just an unboxing video. As you can see, these things are still sealed up. Let me show you guys. You see that it's still sealed up. I haven't even opened it up. So don't come to my comment section asking me for a review, asking me if it's working or not. I don't know. This is the very first time I'm unboxing them, but I'm gonna be using them, and after 1 month I'm going to update you guys and tell you guys like how it's working like. So this is the vitamin C, which is oh the capsules are pink inside. They're pink on the, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're pink. That's interesting. I've never seen any pink capsules. But that's for the vitamin C. And then we have for the glutathione. That's it guys. It's a very short video, just doing an unboxing. What else? So yeah, when I get the sunscreen, I will tell you guys how it's working like. They said the sunscreen should be restocking in a few weeks. I was actually guys gonna purchase that with my own money. Just to be clear, these ones were sent to me for free. I was really gonna purchase with my own money, but it was sold out. But we shall wait until a few weeks, then they restock it. Then I want to try that one out and see like how it works like as well. So just an update guys. And also just to tell you guys one more thing, the one thing which they don't have here is collagen. So I went ahead and bought my own collagen. So I have this collagen here from a company which is called Higher Nature, and it's marine collagen. You guys know, for me, I keep on saying, for me, what works for me is marine collagen. For you, it could be beef collagen or chicken collagen, but for me, the fish, the marine collagen is what gives me like a glow to my skin. So I'm gonna be taking these ones along with marine collagen, because for me, I really highly believe in collagen. And also there's some calcium supplements which I'm taking as well for my joints, so I'm gonna continue taking those ones as well. But as far as skin lightening is concerned, I'm only gonna be using Permanence skincare for the next few, like 2 or 3 months, I think. That's how long they're gonna last me. So just know I'm gonna be using this brand, okay? And yeah, that's it guys. If you have used the products, let me know in the comment section down below like how they work for you. For me, it's my first time, and I want to just see like how they work on me. And also guys, just to avoid any confusion with any person who is watching me for for the first time and has seen my videos before, I mean, someone who has watched my videos before and may be confused, because I do have a skin lightening brand of creams and lotions. So the thing is, I know how my creams and lotions work on their own, even without the supplements. And note that I test my products also on people who are not even using supplements. So the point being, I will know. I will know if I see an extra glow or extra lightening from the supplements when I'm still using my own product. So I will know. So I'll keep you guys updated and tell you guys after 1 month, not 2 days, not 2 weeks. After 1 month of consistently using them, I'll come back and give you guys an update. That is, guys, so go and check their website out and see what else they have. I'll put the link down below in the description box. And that's it, guys. I'll get back to you after 1 month, but of course I'll be making more videos before that time. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, see ya.